sanibona. Ngiyathemba niyaphila. Mina igama uzicelo isename kaMahoro. Ngokuhlala ngila eRoodeport, eJohannesburg, eRoodeport. So ngine-issue la, nginenkinga engivelele recently, I think a few days ago. On a Sunday, sisi wami omncane, which is the last born yasekhaya, uvelelwe inkinga. In fact, to be exact, my little sister was raped by a foreign national on Sunday. Okay, just to summarize the story. Sibeside just nje ukusummarize. Okay, umntwana ofika late. I mean, she stays with my little brother on the other side. Ejaridini yakhe mina this side, but umntana simkhulisa siyi-two, I might say. So umntana uhlala under strict parental rules, whereby she knows ukuthi she's not supposed to be outside of the yard after 6 o'clock. So on this particular day, I don't know what transpired. Umntana decided ukuthi okay, nginamakhwenyana, so I could spend a few from amakhwenami. She decided to phuma after 7, actually. Athi emakuleni uyothenga snacks. Sneak her out there from their room. She went on her way to buy snacks. Ubizwa this guy. This guy is someone she knows, or she says this guy once or twice spoken to her, and then the guy, okay, wamshela. And then the child told the guy, you know what, man, I don't do those things, I'm still young. So the guy, story sakhe was to say, hi, uyakuphi, the child, ngemakuleni. The guy is like, okay, cela udlule ngalana. So the guy thinking ukuthi okay, since atshela ubhuti lo ukuthi emakuleni, the guy mhlawumbe uzomphathisa something. Ingane no iye ifike ime ngasemnyango. The guy is like, I even have news to tell you about your friends. One of your friends told me you are doing this. How? Ubani, that friend in particular? And then the guy grabs the child, Mfaria, endlini, showing the kid his palm. And then the guy does what he does to the child, and then afterwards he tells the child that I've done this before, so if you scream I will kill you. Where lapho ngibuya khona, I've killed my ex-girlfriend. Njengoba ngilana I'm in hiding, ngibalekile lapho ngibuya khona, I did the same act, so now I will kill you if you scream and do anything. So the child, obvious, being scared, tool. And then he said, okay, here's a cup of water, drink, and here's an apple. Eat this apple. I won't let you go before you eat this apple. The child bite the apple once or twice and be like, I won't finish this apple. Can I leave now? The guy is like, okay, let me accompany him. Comes back, watch the child closely. The child get in her room. He watched them closely. And then the child being scared because the guy was outside watching. The child decided to get in the room. He tells her little sister, okay, this is what I've encountered. Okay, when he enters the room, she was crying. So this other one is asking, and then this other one is explaining to the other one, okay, this is what I've encountered. This guy did this, okay. And then she cries up until she falls asleep because she's afraid to open the door and go and tell the parents on the other side, if I might say. because my little brother is acting as a parent on the child because we are raising them together. Up until she falls asleep. And then when she wakes up in the morning, she decides, no, let me go and tell my brother, only to find them not abekho baye emsebenzini. Okay, long story short, she decided, okay, let me go tell my older brother, which is me. When she got to my place, I was not there as well. I went for a piece job. Right, she went and told one of the community leaders that she knows around the area. And then they went to her grandmother, her friend's grandmother's place. And then umuntu omdala, umagogo, that's the one who decided to know what we need to take action ngalento. By that time, I think she was one of the community members, one or two. And then there's an office in this place that we are staying in, where the community leaders solve the issues of the community. So apparently they went there and involved the leaders. I don't know what transpired. I don't know why the whistle wasn't blown. I don't know why no one thought of going to the community group and text and tell the community about the issue. I don't know why the police were not called, but I received a call from my sister who stay in a different area, I think at around about 9:30 going to 10 o'clock, telling me that the child has been raped. I had to leave everything that I was doing on that piece job that I was doing. I left everything. I had to rush to the clinic. When I got to the clinic, I was told that we don't know anyone with that name. No one came with that name. Roodepoort Clinic. And then I had to make calls back to my little sister. Ukuthi, your sister is not here. I'm told ukuthi akazanga lana. She was like, okay, let me give you the number of the people, of the person that told me ukuthi umntwana ungalapha. And then she gave me the number. I connected with the guy. The guy said, no, those people went back to where you stay to fetch a birth certificate yomntwana. They couldn't assist umntwana eklinikhi yaseDurban.